Eastern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, central Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Morganville, or 12 miles south of Perth Amboy, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Long Branch, Sandy Hook, Middletown, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, Sayreville, Marlborough, Teton Falls, Holdall, Red Bank, Kingsburg, Methuen, Jamesburg, Highlands, Brownville, East Freehold, Robertsville, Yorktown, Auburn, and Navesink. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile markers 105 and 126. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Middlesex, and Monmouth.